Welcome back. We are here Tuesday morning, and this phone has come for a charging system look into. You might remember it previously, and yeah, welcome here to Uganda with me. And okay, so let me remove the SIM cards. That's out. And then this is out like that. Okay, disconnect that and then go for charging system down there. All right, so get our screwdriver, and then next thing we are doing is remove the screws. And if you're new here, this is Uganda on camera, and we are refurbishing a Samsung Galaxy A-10s. This is a really interesting phone. It normally tends to thrive here in Africa because it tends to have a relatively prolonged battery life and a less power hungry motherboard. So that's why we are restoring it, because yeah, it's a good reliable phone. It does what it does, and that's that. Now what we need here is to look into this. Now what was done to this port is a bit interesting. This was just looped. Could it be why we are here? Let's check it out. So I've measured when I plug in the charger, I get a voltage at this point that goes through this fiber to come this side. So I believe this segment must have an issue. Let's check that out. Alright, so I have looped the positive rail from this side to that side, and I like to think that should solve my problems. Now I'm going to plug in and test that side, if that helps. Alright, so we get the charging icon when we plug this, and that was the problem. So see you in the next video. Alright guys, we have closed the phone, and we get it charging at 0%, and we meet again in the next video. Thank you.